see something dangerous? Not a different from the beginning. Come on, I'm asking you a simple question. Would you like to see something dangerous? I'll rephrase it. Say yeah! Here we go. Hey kid, come back. Just joking. Here we go. You guys, I'm gonna try this. We can do it. So I'm shooting myself. We can do it on the floor, or we can do it on the top of the box. Obviously, I need you to know that I can fall. I don't want you to think it's gonna happen. So the choice is yours. Cheer for your favorite option. If you would like me to do it on the floor, make some noise now. I have a feeling some of you didn't understand what's going on. That's why to join in. That's perfectly fine. Whereas, if you would like me to do it on the top of the box, make some noise now. That's the same people, just a bit louder. I'm not sure if some of you understand what's gonna happen. This can go wrong, this way, this way, this way. That's not your choice. Sometimes I say twice, no one gets it. So I'm gonna put my helmet on. This last time I fallen down from a different trick. I didn't have helmet. I broke my hand. Is anyone speaking English? Yes. All right. I need you to understand. There's no glamorous way out. If I fall down, I'm badly hurt myself. I'm not joking. So here we go. But this is not gonna happen. Would you like to see this? Come on, I'm risking my life. Would you like to see this? Or you can just give me money now. No! So now you're loud. So here we go. This is it. 2 tricks. I'm so sick of this music. Look at my t-shirt. I think it's obvious. Here we go. This is it. 2 tricks. 2 tricks. Let me just quickly change the music. And then I'm gonna do the finale. Come on everyone, the finale. I'll do it anyway.